Right. Gotcha. So when you're looking for the entry, the 30-minute, but you use it in confluence with wherever time frame the market maker's pattern is at. So if the market maker's pattern is on, or if market structure too, right? If the market maker's pattern is on the daily time frame, um, you'll be looking for price to give you the pullback on the daily time frame, which will be your point of interest. And then you want to go to the 30-minute and use that in confluence as well. Um, if market structure is on the full hour, for example, it's funny you asked this too, because I talked about this yesterday. Um, you go to the 4 hour time frame to look at structure. Like for example, if the 4 hour is giving you higher highs and higher lows, or if the 4 hour time frame gave you a change of character break of structure, then you're looking for that bounce to be the point of interest would be on the 4 hour, right? You're gonna be looking for that pullback in the 4 hour time frame to the 50 EMA, just to give you the example. And then on the 30-minute time frame, where your entry is gonna be at, that's where you want to see the bounce off of it as well. So you want to see the bounce on every time frame, pretty much. It just depends what time frame you're looking at structure first. So like if you're seeing a higher high to go into a higher low in the daily time frame, the point of interest of the higher low is going to be the 50 EMA. Once you're on the 50 EMA in the daily time frame, that's when you want to go to the 30-minute and look for the same thing. Or vice versa with a 200 EMA. Level 2. Exact level 2, yeah. No, 200 EMA is only level 2. Exiting V1 going into level 2, that's the only time you want to see the bounce off the 200. The 50 is level 1 and level 3. Right. Mhm. Mhm. Right. Correct. And this pair is a very clean. It's showing you very clean what I always talk about, which is again, I could show you a double bottom. I could tell you what EMA to use. But what entry are you going to choose that makes it high probability, right? This is one of those situations with USD CAD. And again, this was a specific pair. It's funny that you're saying this one because this is the one that I talked about yesterday. Yeah, is low probability trade. Even though we have a 372, even though we already had the break of structure, even though we have a 4th week variation, there's a low probability trade. And then the reason why we have a gap in the market that resets the trend, right, in the weeks, in the 4 hour time frame, right? And not even how it looks, but we're also in peak high territory. So the fact that we're in peak high territory, right now price is just going to be trapping traders, right? Because this is where we're supposed to be looking for price to give us either the shoulder head shoulder, a double top, or a zone of consolidation before we start the downtrend push, right? So right now it's just the market makers are making inducements. So the fact that we already have such a steep pullback, it's already letting us know that hey, price is most likely not going to give us that third push to the top side. All right, hold on. Let me go through these pairs real quick for the stream. Hey bro, how you doing? Well, what's good, Albert? Good morning, good morning. Yeah, I'm doing good, my brother. I can't complain. All right, so AU already gave us that third day low, so we could turn that off. EA already hit STP and ADR almost for the day. We're only missing a few puts for ADR. Right. So EA, we will skip over EA as well. EU already gave us ADR for the day, so we're gonna turn that off. ECAD already gave us a 372 for the day, already gave us a third day high, already gave us STP, almost hit ADR for the day as well, so we're done with that one. GA also already gave us the third day high, already gave us STP as well, so we'll turn this one off. We're also trading at a higher high, so we'll wait for a pullback. GCAD still hasn't given us that third day push, but we're almost there. Gave us a nice little engulfing candle. It is valid. Did it give us a retest? It missed the retest by literally a micro pip, by 0.8 pips. We'll see if we can get that pullback. Am I gonna look for an entry here? No, I'm not gonna risk 40 pips to only catch 25. It doesn't make any sense. If I could get a steeper pullback in the 30-minute time frame, then maybe I'll look for that opportunity. We could even go down to the lower time frame. No, it's not a valid. Let's see. Where did that first wick close? No body closure below the first wick, so can't even say that we'll get a 15-minute pullback. We'll be looking for a 30-minute pullback into the engulfing, and this is where we'll start looking for a trade, right? And this would just make more sense. We're talking about a 10 to 11 pip stop loss for 50 pips. Yep, that looks more promising than anything else. So GCAD, we'll keep an eye on that. GJ, we talked about this last night. Again, this is not a trade that I took. We spoke about why this engulfing candle is low probability, right? If you guys want to go back into last night's session, you guys will see that we did talk about this zone. And you guys can see that it hit everybody's stop loss first and then went into profit, right? Because price kept making lower lows and lower highs in the lower time frame. Now, once we had lower low, lower high, lower low, boom, change of character, higher high, higher low, break of structure, higher high, higher low, boom, that's the entry that we're looking for, right? This would have been the entry, right? This happened at 3 in the morning. Obviously, I'm sleeping at that time, so there's nothing here for me. Right, we're looking at a 20 pip stop, and then our TP would have been the gap that we have in the market at 152 pips. Right, that would have been the position for us here on GJ. But again, GJ already gave us the move. It already hit ADR. It looks like price already wants to push up to the top side, so we'll turn that off. GU already hit STP for the day. So again, that's pretty much it for GU. US 30 is looking good. It's doing exactly what we want to see. Pushing up to the top. So remember, I said I wanted to see price break above these highs, or I wanted to see a break below these lows. Did price break the lows? No. It gave you the inducement. Right? So once again, if you were up, right? If you were up during Asia session, man, you ate today. Price gave you beautiful entries after the inducement of the lows. I gave you a lower low, lower high, lower low. Boom, change of character, higher high, higher low. Trading between this high, nothing broke these highs. These lows gave us another change of character, lower low. Then it gave us this high over here. This high gave us a change of character, higher high, right? Nothing broke these lows, and then these highs. We're getting the break of structure now. So you guys can see what I'm talking about here. Let's go ahead and delete these lines here. Right, and let's go ahead and add this line here. Right, boom. So you had a 1 minute change, 1 minute break of structure, right? Change of character. Right, this low gave us this high over here, which is the lower high. Right, this lower high, we got a change of character here. Right, that high gave us this low over here. Right, and you can see that price never reached these lows. Okay, cool, perfect, no worries. Right, at these highs, then price gave us this high over here. Right, none of these highs were broken up until here. That gave us a change of character. Right, once we got the change of character, price then gave us from here to here, right? The lowest point in the market is here. You can see that price never broke these lows. And then now we're looking for the break of structure, which is what price is giving to us now. Right, we're looking for the break. Did we get the break? Yes. Right, testing, break candle, retest. It's looking good. Want to see, do we have any engulfing candles to go off on? Nothing in the 5, nothing in the 1, nothing in the 15, nothing in the 30, nothing in the 1, nothing in the 4. Okay, so let's stick to the 1 minute and the 5 minute here. We know we're looking for price to bounce off the 50 EMA. We got the cross of the 50 and the 200. We got the break. This break from here to here gave us this lower low over here. Let's see if we could get a pullback. I'll be looking for a pullback between 38.2 and the 50%. Sorry guys, give me 1 second. I'm just trying to do something real quick. Alright, let's keep going real quick. So we know that US 30, we're looking for that. USD CAD, right? USD CAD, we had 2 days of drop, today being the third day. We also have the 4-week variation, but we know that the market opened with a gap. So USD CAD will sit on this one for now until we see price turn around. USDs are pretty similar, but price already gave us that third day push with this wick here, and then we started making lower lows and lower highs. So USDs will turn off. Gold price already hit STP for the day. So right now there's nothing for us. I wasn't really keeping US or gold on the watch list, but STP was already hit. Bitcoin, 3 days of drop. After 3 days of drop, the market must move sideways or go up, and we went up. STP for the day was already hit. And then US oil, we have no continuations here. This is where price has just been consolidating for the last couple days, right? Rejecting the highs, rejecting the lows, rejecting the highs, rejecting the lows, going back up to the high, right? And STP for the day has already been hit for US oil. So realistically speaking, the only pairs that really have something left for us really is GCAD, US 30, and USD CAD. So GCAD will continue to monitor this one in the 30-minute time frame. I do like this in the 15-minute time frame a lot more than anything else, but the 30-minute will tell us exactly where we want to see that pullback, and it's going to be into that engulfing candle. If we could take this trade, we're talking about 11 pips stop loss for 52 pips take profits, so this is looking good. Again, USD CAD not really the best one. GCAD and US 30 really are the two best pairs to keep an eye on. So what I'm gonna do is, just in case so we don't miss this trade, we're gonna put an alarm here. And we'll go off from there. Yo. My bad, I was just I hear my echo, by the way. Mm. The hell did you order those for 40 bucks at? Oh, that's fire. It's not bad at all. Shit, I'm comfortable with that now. I used to not be able to do that shit. I used to think that shit was for the birds, man. Yo, I used to take a trade. I was not going to sleep, bro. I was waking up every 10 minutes. Like, yo, where the fuck the trade at? Oh no. Damn, US 30 is not gonna give me a steeper pullback. Come on, man. um, nah, I didn't calculate it. Where we're at? Yeah, it's almost hitting it. Looking for a steeper pullback anyway. Plus, we got that gap too, so this would be a good inducement of the lows, the inducement of the daily lows and the 4-hour lows. Right, we had the exhaustion candles, and then lower time frame. After the inducement of the lows, we had a change of character, break of structure on the 1 minute time frame. So I'm looking for a 1 minute pullback before we continue to push to the top side. And then once we get that pullback, that's what I'll be looking for the trade. If we get a pullback. Nah, I'm chilling. And then GCAT, I'm looking for that pullback into the engulfing as well. The hell's my wallet? Damn, I left that shit in the car. Fuck. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Yo.
Yo, yo.
Back.
Nice.
Sunrise.
Nice ass.
Sunrise, not sunset. It's too early.
Oh my son, good. Hey, no, you old.
Not me.
Ooh. I kind of want to get a noise canceling mic here.
Yeah, those are fire.
You have one?
I used to have them, but for some reason that shit always gave me a headache. So I only
Really?
used it. Yeah, I started only using them for the LAN events, and then whenever I was home, I would just use my regular headsets.
Dang, I wonder why is that. Is it too tight or something?
No, no, I don't know. Like the noise canceling shit was the one that fucked me up.
Really?
Mhm.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm not. Sorry, I'm sorry. That, oh, bass and everything. Yo, I'm crazy. They got a Halo version. 60 bucks. That's the Call of Duty version. Alright. Oh, hey.
What's up?
I bought a robot.
Yeah.
I bought a robot vacuum.
Oh, that's
Roomba.
fire. The Roomba, that shit is fire.
Roomba. It was the I saw the Roomba. There was this other robot vacuum mop that so it was a steal. So like it was going for like 200, right?
Mhm.
They gave me like a discount on Amazon. Like they gave me like a coupon and like other shit. Vacuum the mop. 81 bucks.
That's not bad at all.
But for like a $10 value. That like I had told you, she ended up canceling her ticket and stuff like that.
Mhm.
So I checked out like picnic stuff, bus and everything. That on that. You have one?
I used to have one.
What
Not
happened
a
to it?
not at my parents' house though. Nothing.
Oh,
I left it for to my roommates in the apartment that I had.
oh yeah, I wrote by room. I was looking at that one.
Damn, US 30 is fucking sinking.
Because USD CAD, that thing right now, gap up.
Yeah.
Go back. Okay. Damn. So like on 50% retracement and stuff like that, what would you look for as far as entry?
Same rules. Even if I have a 50% retracement, I want to see the bounce off the EMA. I want to see an engulfing candle. If all I have is just a 50% retracement with nothing else connected to it, then very low probability choice. Or if I want to see before I get a 50% retracement, I want to see a valid break of structure. For example, on US 30 right now, we're in a zone of consolidation. We never got a valid break of the zone of consolidation. So I wouldn't be looking to take this trade right now, just off of the 50% retracement. Fuck happened?
So he was not trying to do that shit, bro. That shit helps.
Oh, the 4011 one? The
Yeah,
4011 one?
the 16.
Yeah.
I mean the 6 to
The 12, 611.
it was like 6 to 4. I had already worked. Yeah.
US 30 was not feeling that. I don't know what the fuck he said.
Oh, well,
Bugging.
I'm gonna crash.
Good luck, bro. I have to go. We'll watch the recording later. Alright, Albert. No worries. Have a good rest of your day, my brother. You got any news today? We got news at 10 a.m. That's it. And then tomorrow we have news at 8:30, and that's it. And then Thursday at 8:30, and then Friday at 10.
Man, do you really need much to start off? I realize that everything that you need 10, 20K
Who is that?
down
Mike in
right
the
now.
call?
Yeah.
What's good, Mike? Mr. Mike Lito.
I know. Just somebody who yeah. It'd be so crazy how like they make so much off of them damn that mental shit off mental shit, bro.
That's what Mike told me to do yesterday. He was like, "Yo, just start selling signals. Fuck it, I'm about to do that." Yo, a hundred and fucking 50 bones for signals, man. I'm only gonna throw one signal out a month. That Yo, that one signal, yo, all you need is yo, 150 bucks. All you need is fucking 15 pips. All you need is 15 pips for fucking on a dollar lot size. Yo, I think motherfuckers will pay for that. We be catching 73 pips, 80 pips. We don't look at no pairs lower than 50 pips. All you need is 15, and 15 pips will pay your subscription for the month. That's all you need.
Yeah,
19%. He's nice with it. See this one. This one gave you a 61.8 retracement off the 1 hour 50 minute engulfing. So I'm gonna go to the 1 minute now and start looking for entries on USD CAD. Just to be sure, we got a 73 pip STP. We've already done 54, so we're still good to go. In the 1 minute, we have lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so this is where I'll start looking for my trades. In the 1 minute, we have no engulfing candles in the 5. We have no engulfing candles in the 15. Nothing on the 30. This wouldn't be a regular engulfing candle because it's a doji candle. So I'm going to be looking for entries on the 1 minute. And this is where I'll be looking for my entries. Lower low, lower high, lower low. I'll be looking for a change of character. We got the change of character already. This will be an aggressive trade with the wick as a change of character, but we'll see. If we could get a nice pullback here and then we'll get another break, then we'll start looking for entries here on the 1 minute on USD CAD. US 30, but right now, what time is it? It's not even 8:30, and every single pair is just giving us inducements at this point. Right, because then US 30 gave us a change of character to the bottom side. But again, we already had a exhaustion candle inducement on the 4 hour and the daily time frame at the bottom of the zone of consolidation. So right now we just gotta be patient with it. There's nothing else we could do about this. It's a little bit too early to catch these trades. Now, could we go lower on US 30? Of course. Price could just continue the trend, which is lower lows and lower highs at this moment. But we'll see what price wants to do on US 30. We'll keep this on the 1 minute. We'll keep USD CAD on the 1 minute. And then we'll go on from there. We'll see what happens. And then GCAD, I have an alert on the engulfing candle, so we'll wait for that to hit. If I don't get that retest of the engulfing, then I'm not gonna take the trade. USD CAD on the 1 minute. Let's see. I should probably be sharing my screen on Discord, right?
No, I mean,
Okay. right now, all these pairs right now are just fucking faking everybody out, yo. How many people you think just take trades as soon as they see the fucking price move? I'm getting in right now. Fuck it. I'm getting in. I'm getting in. I'm scared. Yeah, man. I'm gonna start selling signals. 150 a month. There's a limit to 10 people. That's 1500. And I'm only gonna throw one signal out every month, yo. Just one. If you want more than one signal, join the premium subscription. The premium subscription is 350 bucks. Yo, that's 35. That's 35 peps, yo.
That's crazy.
It's 35 pips. Yo, that's one trade. That's one trade off a fucking standard lot. I think people will pay for that.
Anything that's possible.
Shit's crazy. Motherfuckers will pay for anything, yo. They're hungry.
People don't even know what profitable is.
350 bones, yo, for 5 trading signals a month. Yo, if you want more than that, yo, $1,000.
Are you stealing now? That's stealing.
Oh, is it? My bad.
That's daylight robbery.
Yo, that's only 100 pips.
That's daylight robbery.
Yo, it's only 100 pips, yo. What are you telling me right now?
I'm pissed. The fact that people actually pay like, bro. It look good on paper, so they pay for it.
Yeah, but can they use motivate jumpers to up on socials, bro? You know, you said I wanted to do the brand, bro. He's slacking.
Not even, bro. It's just like, I ain't gonna lie, like a lot of this stuff on social media, bro, like it be kind of sad, bro. Like,
what do you mean by that?
and money on stupid shit, bro. Like, and they get damn. I don't know, like people are just fed, bro. Like
Yo,
they won't even believe.
chill out. Yo, streets alive. Calling people fed on stream is crazy.
Man. I mean, like, yeah, Mike.
Yeah, bro.
Remember the first reaction that you said to jump?
What reaction? Like, what was the reaction about?
Like as far as like this, how he he and I traded.
Oh, yeah. You know, my thing was when you played us one trade, like, you had a 4 pip stop, 200 pip take profit, like, that's unheard of, bro.
So like it's just.
Yo, so what you're saying is I should be charging $2,000 is what you're saying. All you need is 200 pips, yo.
Man.
Yo, I'm hungry.
Who you telling? I'm on DoorDash looking at food right now.
Yo, I want some fucking Wawa, man. I want a fucking sandwich. I might go later.
Fuck that. I want
Mmm.
that's
Waffle House. I could go for some Waffle House.
That's bad. Yeah, depending on where you go.
Yo, book your flight to Florida. Let's go to Waffle House.
Whenever I do come down and bump that, like that's my
Yo, flights are mad cheap.
That's OD.
No, nah, nah, Miami. Even though Orlando would be cheaper, or go to FL, Fort Lauderdale, FLL. Where the fuck is Google Flights
Oh,
at?
that ain't shit. Well,
Des Moines to Fort Lauderdale. Let's see. 200. Hell no, that's fucking expensive.
200 for a flight?
Hell yeah. $200. Fuck that. I'd be paying fucking $50 for my flights to New York and shit.
What? How?
Fucking Spirit Airlines, man. I'm talking about.
Spirit Airlines. Gonna be right with Spirit Airlines.
Hell no, those are yo, Spirit Airline is the only airline that hasn't had a fucking plane crash.
What?
Hell yeah.
Bro, like 2 years ago, bro, Spirit Airlines had like, how much?
No, it didn't. Look that
Oh
shit
yeah, I
up.
might be believe.
Look that shit up. Yo, people just want to fucking talk shit about Spirit Airlines because everybody's rich. Yo, everybody wants to get first class tickets to Delta and pay $1,000. Cool. Everybody wants to live that rich lifestyle. Cool. I'm chilling. Get me on.
Spirit
Get me on.
Airlines plane crash.
Get me on. Get me on Frontier. Get me on Spirit. Pay $50 for my flights.
Nah, fuck Frontier. I ain't gonna. I'm not riding that shit, bro.
Year was good, Muhammad. What's the word, Big Bird? Adrian, what's good, my brother? Good morning. We're looking at USD CAD and we're taking a look at US 30 as well. But right now,
Wait,
there really
Spirit
isn't.
Airlines have the ever.
But right now there really isn't any trades that look super crystal clear. A lot of the pairs that we look at already hit STP or ADR. The pairs that we had for the 372s, most of them have been hit already. USD CAD is one that hasn't hit its 372, but we do have a gap in the market that resets the trend, which is why we're seeing price move counter. But right now we're looking good, right? This is just a pullback, right? Higher high going into a higher low. Right now we're sitting at that 50%, 61.8 retracement. So USD CAD, I'm kind of just waiting for price on the lower time frame to give us that turnaround, right? To give us a change of character, break of structure, to then look for that entry. Um, and then US 30 pretty much still has this gap at the top of the market. In the daily time frame and the 4 hour time frame already gave us the inducement to the lows, the same thing that it did 2 weeks ago, right? So right now I'm just kind of waiting to see what price wants to do. If US 30 wants to give us the same thing, obviously we know that US 30 and USD CAD move differently, right? They're opposite of each other, right? So if US 30 is going up, USD CAD is going down, or vice versa. If US 30 is going down, USD CAD is going up. So right now I'm just kind of waiting for the markets to shape up a little bit. Right now we're getting just a lot of inducements in the market, just trapping traders, as we could see here on USD on US 30, right? We pretty much already trapped traders going short. We trapped traders going long. So right now I'm just kind of waiting for the markets to really give me the overall direction of the day. Obviously, I would love for US 30 to just go down so we could take this trade on USD CAD to go right back to the top side and give us a 372, potentially to give us that fourth week high that we're looking for as well. Um, and then the other pair that I'm keeping an eye on is GCAD. Same thing, 372, looking for that third day push to the top side. But I am looking for a steeper pullback into the engulfing candle. So we missed it last night at 3 in the morning, 3:30. We missed it by literally less than a pip. Price came back down, missed it again just by a little bit, but this is where I'm looking to take my trade on GCAD. So right now it's just being patient. These are really the only pairs left for the day, right? And the reason I want to look for an entry down here is just because we have a better chance at getting more profits, right? We're talking about a 12 pip stop loss for a 50 pip take profit. Any trades above here, we would just have a very steep pullback. We would have to use a 43 pip stop, for 16, 20 pip take profit. It's not really worth it. So I'm just waiting for this pullback on GCAD to happen before we really start looking for a trade. And then again, I'm just looking for the break of structure to happen on USD CAD, and then US 30, just kind of waiting for price to stop inducing traders, right? Stop giving us these fake moves, and then we'll go on from there. So Not too much on the markets today, but we'll see if we could catch something small at least. Just really being patient. There's really nothing more we could do about it. Waiting for, you know, potentially we'll get an engulfing candle here in the lower time frames, probably the 15, the 30 minute, not so good, right? We have this doji candle already that printed as well, so just a lot of inducements, right? Just a lot of movements, just faking traders out. Could be a nice 5 minute engulfing candle as well. That one would be pretty perfect to look at. So we'll see what price wants to do. You saw Spirit Airlines never had a plane crash?
Yeah, man.
Telling you, man. People wanna die rich. All right, go spend your $700 on your flight. I'll pay $20 for Spirit, man. I know that shit's not gonna go down.
Man.
For all the events I used to go to, no bullshit. When I flew to fucking Minnesota, when I flew to LAX, that shit was on Spirit and Frontier. You got me tripping if you think I'm paying fucking $400 for a flight. Fuck you.
Yeah. Man.
When I went to Springfield, Missouri, that shit was all on Spirit. Nah, but the next thing I want to do, no bullshit, I want to book a private jet.
Yeah, I remember.
That's the next thing I want to splurge on. I don't splurge on myself. I don't spend money. You guys know this, but like, I want to have that experience. How you been, man? I'm doing good, Muhammad. I can't complain, man. Been a little busy these last couple weeks, but we're finally back on track. How about you, my brother? How you feeling? GCat does not want to give us that entry, man. GCat's playing with us. It's all good. It's still early. We still got an hour till the NYC open, so we'll see some inducements being made at this time. We'll just have to be patient.
I ain't gonna lie, like, bro, what you have to God forbid with these factors, so that when you do, like, well, you are comfortable enough to allow it to like so stress free.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, let's say you put $1,000 into the lottery. Let's say much, you know,
All you need is 10%.
10%.
Huh? 10% of 10% of 1,000?
Is a million.
That's $100.
What do you think, JumpeR?
Hmm?
You need to make him 50.
Hold on, give me a second. I've been good. Uni is doing me dirty. Yeah, I know, bro. I fully imagine. You just gotta get through that, man. You just gotta get through that. Really, the mentality. Damn. No way, USD gave me a fucking horrible ass engulfing candle here. No, it didn't. It didn't close above. Just gotta get through it, man. Right. Keep sharpening your sword when it comes to trading. Right. Just keep learning it, and then once you finish with classes this semester, hop right back on, man. Hop right back onto the charts. Do what you gotta do. You know, finish school, and then once you finish school, bro, you'll have the skill set to do what you studied for, and then you'll have the skill set to also have the trading skill. So you'll be good, my brother. It's definitely a grind though. It's not a joke. That's definitely a grind. I work 5 days a week, takes 2 hours to get there. Damn, but that's brutal. You're doing it good though, Muhammad. That's what you know Kendall. That's what Kendall's doing now. Kendall's working while sharpening up his sword when it comes to trading. He's doing really good at it. Fucking proud of him. You know, he's grinding. He's pretty much working. As soon as he gets out of work, he'll be getting out of work at 10, 11 p.m. He gets home, watches the isolation session. He'll be up till like 2, 3 in the morning, taking notes, doing what he has to do. He's pretty much a fucking Muhammad Jr., man. And then he'll be up in the morning. He's in the car right now, and then he'll take a nap before he has to go back to work. So it's definitely a grind, bro. There's no doubt about it. I'm trying to finish most of my credits early, so last 2 years I'll have time. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, man, you just gotta finish that shit. You know what I mean? There's nothing wrong with that. Can't do a grinder for real. I'm telling you, bro. Some people want it, and some people say they want it, but they don't really put in the work. So, you're doing exactly what you gotta be doing, my brother. Finish school, get that degree. Yeah, Mr. Long. Yeah, he's putting in the work as well. Finish school, get that degree, do what you want to do with school. Trading will always be here at the end of the day. So those are two different skill sets, right? You get a degree, you'll be making what? Depends what you're gonna be working on. Let's say you make 80,000 a year at your job, and then you'll be making fucking $2 million off of trading. Are you chilling, bro? Like, a lot of people's mentality is, oh, I just want to be a trader. Like, nah, man. Like, that's cool. Trading is gonna open up a lot of doors for you. But the more skills you have in life, man, the more opportunities you'll have. The more people you'll meet, the more money you'll make. And that's really, you know, at least for me, that's the goal, right? Money is power. Without money, you can't move around in this life. So, and then especially for you guys who live in another country, right? It's a lot more difficult to have opportunity if you don't have a degree, right? So, yeah, money is cool, but that degree is going to open up a lot of doors for you outside of your country. You could go anywhere, you could travel anywhere. You could have, I have friends who, you said, I'm in software right now, drop dentistry because of the health issue. Gotcha. Yeah, I know that shit would make it more difficult, but software is good. Software engineer shit, just what I was about to say. You could have a company in Japan, you could have a company in China hit you up and pay for your room and board. Like, hey, we're gonna pay for your moving. I want you to work with me. Then boom, you're in China making fucking 80,000 US in a year. Plus you're making money off of trading. And then once you're working, that's it. You can make your own hours. You could trade. You have the skill set to trade. Before you go to work, you already made fucking 1,500 bucks. And you go back to work to make another 200, 300 bucks. That shit's not bad at all. So, you're doing it good, man, and you're still young. So you still got time. There's no time limit. Right? That's why I like using E as an example. Remember, he didn't really start trading till he was what, 30ish. So there's no there's no time limit to this. You don't got to be successful at this at the age of 20. All the shit you see on social media, that shit's all bogus. We talk about that all the time on the stream. So a lot of these people don't really know how to trade. They're just out there marketing, showing you the Ferraris and shit. So you could go ahead and buy the $350 course. So, keep doing what you got to do. Finish school, continue to learn how to trade. Once you finish school, you already know how to trade too. You're doing it all. You're doing it correctly. So, what's good, Jessica? Welcome to the stream. Good morning. Good morning. Facts. Can't wait to master trading. All in due time. All in due time. Um, I'm trying to go back to Bangkok. Hell yeah. How do you feel about trading bots? Mm, it depends, right? I've used some in the past, not really for a long time, just to kind of test them out. I went through like a little phase for like a year where I was trying to look for a bot, not to really take the signals off of it, just for more confirmation. But there's nothing better than us humans doing the work, right? Because even sometimes bots will give you fake signals. You know, same thing as like a signals chat. You could go ahead and buy a signals chat, signal room for somebody, but it's not always gonna be 100%. You know, you can make your own bot. That's something that I've been wanting to do for a little bit, to try to make trading just a little bit easier. You know, just to follow the same rules that we follow. You know, a bot that identifies engulfing candles, a bot that identifies, you know, peak formation highs, peak formation lows. But outside of that, you know, you gotta remember a lot of these bots are made, especially the ones now. I mean, we you know, I don't like to name drop on stream, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I'm that type of person. I don't give a fuck. You know, we have really good examples. Lambo Raul used to have a bot. I don't know if he still has it, and he used to sell it, and the bot was never throwing out real signals. Like a lot of the trades that was in that bot, completely fake, right? Something that never worked. So, you know, to really dial down that answer, it's depending who made the bot and what's the bot used for. Because at the end of the day, again, a lot of these people who trade, most of them, I will say about 80% of the social media traders that you see who are selling bots, it's using their quote unquote their strategy. But when you go and you look at the win percentages of those traders, it's 20%, 30%, 40%. And if you don't have $1 million on your account, if you don't have $200,000 in your account, you know, getting a 20%, 40% win rate, you're not making any money. And the prime example is Mr. Don Vo. He's, you know, he looks really good on stream when he's trading on a $100,000 account, $1 million account. But on social media, you go and you look at Instagram, he's been trading $1,000 account trying to prove a point for the last month and a half, 2 months, and he's only made $53 in profit. So it goes to show you that, you know, a lot of these people, they're only profitable because they have the money from selling courses, pretty much scamming people. So, you know, a bot could only get you so far, you know, especially if you're using a bot that's not really that good, right? If the strategy's not that good, right? Because the best example I'll give you, again, you could code a bot to look for double bottoms, right? The W formation, right? So just to give you the examples, I like to draw things out so people can see exactly what it is, right? And I'll say this as well, since I'm pretty sure you haven't heard this before in my streams, but um you know, every strategy in the market works, right? Whether it's double bottoms, which is the uptrend, double tops, which is the downtrends, you know, the shoulder head shoulders, all of the strategies work. The engulfing candles, the order blocks, the EMA bounces off the EMAs, everything works. It's just about where you're at in market structure, right? Because if you're making higher highs and higher lows, right? And let's say that the bot says, "Oh, you know, the bot can't see market structure, but you have the bot coded to where, oh, you're going to take a double bottom," right? If there's a double bottom at a higher high, what's the probability of this trade working out, right? Because we know that after a higher high is made, you need to see a pullback. So how many traders do you see, oh, it's a double bottom, I'm going to take this trade here, but then price goes straight into stop loss, right? So there's certain things that you have to be able to see, right? Not the bot, yourself, where you say, well, yeah, this is a double bottom, it's clearly a double bottom, but we're at a higher high, right? And then that's where you have to make that choice, right? Where you're like, okay, well, it's a double bottom, but we're at a higher high. I know that market structure isn't higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, right? Market structure is higher high, higher low. So instead of taking the double bottom, right, and I'll draw it out again, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Instead of taking the double bottom up here, you'll wait for the pullback. Once you get the higher low, this is where you want to start seeing that double bottom for price to continue, right? And then this is where you'll take the trade. So that's also something else with the bots, is that the bot is going to mark every single double bottom and every single double top in the market, right? And you know, I did this a few streams ago, I believe, like couple nights ago. You know, we went over on stream right after the isolation session, where every single day there was a double bottom, right? And in the last week and a half, there was 8 double bottoms. Out of those 8 double bottoms, 6 of them were losers and 2 of them were winners, right? And when you start looking at those numbers, like could you be profitable winning 2 trades and losing 6? Yeah, of course. If you have really good risk management, if you're losing 1%, right? You're if you lose 6 trades, that's 6% in drawdown. But those 2 trades that you won, obviously you're going to outweigh the losses, right? You're going to make more profits than what you lost if you have good risk management. But again, it all boils down to how much money do you have in your account. If you have $100 in your account, right, 6%, 6, right, that's really nothing. So you can't really be making a lot of profits on a $100 account, even on $1,000 account. You can't be making a lot of profits if you're only winning 20% of your trades, right? So, you know, could you, again, is there a bot out there that's a lot better than that? I'm sure there is. I haven't seen them yet. So, my thing with trading bots, I'd always say it is, kind of steer away from them. The best indicator on the market is yourself. You learn the skill and that's it. You do this hands on. Because if you do it hands on, you already know your rules, you already know what you're supposed to look for. Again, if you're at a higher high, then you already know you're looking for a pullback. Once you get the pullback, you start trading yourself, right? And then vice versa for the downtrends. My bad, we just have a lot of messages now. Give me 1 second, let me go back. He said, as soon as I get my degree, yeah, I read that. Yo, chill out, Mike. Let's go with that. Thank you. I'm glad to be here in this community. No problem. No problem. Thank you. No problem. Alright, so USD CAD. Again, we're looking for this break of structure to happen before we start taking any trades, right? And then US 30 obviously already gave us a change of character and gave us the break, so this is looking good. Only thing with US 30 is how much lower are we gonna go, right? Daily time frame and 4-hour time frame, we already got the inducements of the lows. Again, could price continue to push down to the bottom? Of course, 100%. We just gotta wait for those confirmations. And once again, the confluence between US 30 and USD CAD is opposite. So the fact that we're seeing US 30 go down to the bottom, we also had a zone of consolidation that we could see that price is wanting to break below the lows, is already letting me know that US 30 or USD CAD, sorry, is going to want to start pushing up to the top side. So the fact that we also have an exhaustion candle at the lows, it's perfect. It's exactly what we want to see. In this 1-hour time frame, we could have a potential nice engulfing candle here. We still got 11 minutes, so let's see if we can make some damage on USD CAD today. Gonna be waiting for the break of structure to happen here on the 1 minute, and then we'll go on from there. Let's take a look at GCAD as well real quick. Well, actually, let's do this on US 30 since I'm not going to be trading US 30 anymore today. And then GCAD already gave us that third push, never gave us the entry. It missed the entry last night. Again, at 3 in the morning, it missed the entry by less than a pip, right? By 1.1 pip, it missed the entry, and then it gave us the pullback again and missed the entry again by 5 pips. So, didn't get the opportunity to trade GCAD, but beautiful, beautiful market structure. Let's go ahead and delete this alert that we have here, and let's turn this one off since the move was already made for the day, which is that new high. So the only pair we really have left for the day is USD CAD. Let's see if we could catch an entry. And again, I'm looking for the same thing as GCAD. I'm looking for that 372. I'm looking for that third day high. So I want to start seeing higher highs and higher lows in this lower time frame. Let's see if we could get that. GCAD gave the 372. Look at the 1 hour. Yeah, I did that already, brother. You're a little late. Looking for that engulfing candle on USD CAD. A candle. Yeah, the 1 hour on the engulfing candle on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah. Still got 10 minutes. We'll see.
Yeah. So, what's bro name is at the stream?
The who now?
What's bro name is at the stream? I want to say his name Cristiano.
Oh, Muhammad, yeah.
Yeah, Muhammad. Bro, he put me on, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Cause the movie is like it's more like a beach spot, but the spot that he just told me about, bro, this shit. Bro, why is Indonesia so cheap?
You're gonna go over there and get kidnapped, man. Fuck that.
Hell nah.
Imagine.
I'm running.
I'm running.
They gotta catch me.
Said I'm a fucking track star. They ain't catching me.
Man. Bro, you know, hey, one of these days, bro, we gotta take a like a big ass guys trip, bro. Big ass guys trip, bro. Like that resort.
Muhammad said, nah, that won't happen. I don't know, Muhammad.
Bro, Indonesia too safe, bro. Indonesia too safe. I don't know. And, like I'm ready on like me staying out there for like a month. If I really like it.
Mhm.
Like if I could live out there and live below my means as much as possible, bro. Save as much money as I can. Like yo.
Come on, USD CAD, please. I gotta pay rent.
Time out, please. I gotta pay. Hell no.
Fuck, man. Nah, bro, all these fucking pairs be moving during Asia and London session. Like, man, I don't want to
You
wake
have
up
you
that early. Nah, man, I woke up last night at 3. I looked at the charts and I'm like, yo, I'm going back to bed. Fuck that. Like, I just don't like being tired, dude. Like, fuck that.
I'm not even tired. So that's
Nah, I'm a bitch. I can't put my body through that shit again. Like, I definitely can, but I choose not to, bro. I did too much of that during high school, bro. That was all of my fucking high school years up until 2 years ago. I'm done with that, bro. I'll be waking up at 6. I'm chilling. I'm not waking up at fucking 3 in the morning, bro.
yeah. I don't know, bro. Yeah.
Not that passionate.
I like I'm like grind. Shit, I'm trying to.
Yeah, and that was the mindset. Right, and it's still the mindset, but it's different now. Like now I don't have to do that.
Right.
Like that's if I choose to do it. Like if I get motivation to be like, yo, you know what? Fuck it, I'm trading London session. All right, yo, then I'll do it. But
Right.
I don't got that motivation right now. I'm good. I'm good chilling with fucking NYC. Got what? 8 minutes? 9 minutes? That'd be perfect. It'll give us the break. It'll give us the break in the 1 minute, and it'll give us that engulfing candle at the same time. That'll be perfect.
So like with this, you prioritize the 1 hour engulfing or the all time?
I'll use it in confluence. So if the 1 minute time frame also gives me an engulfing candle, or if it gives me a nice little um just retest. If we don't get the engulfing candle in the 1 minute, then we'll just get the retest off the 1 minute break. And depending how far up the candle closes on the engulfing candle, that'll tell us where the retest is gonna be. So right now we're still just testing. No breaks on the 1 minute just yet. We still got 6 minutes for that 1 hour candle to close. So we'll keep an eye on it. We'll see what price wants to do.
Yeah, no, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I might change my movie, bro. This right here was amazing.
You gotta go to DR, man.
I'm only going if I'm going with you. Something like that, bro.
What the
I
fuck?
ain't gonna lie.
Trying to go on a date or something?
Maybe.
Alright.
Nah, bro. I don't speak Spanish, bro.
Yo, you'll learn, bro. It's all good. You got E over there. He got you. Nah, that doesn't happen over there. I'm telling you, that shit don't happen over there. You got E and you got John over there, yo. They'll be your translators until you learn. You'll learn how to speak Spanish. Yo, 6 months over there, you'll start speaking Spanish. Trust. Trust.
You know, I don't know people learn like more than one
You got Duolingo, man. Step your game up. Oh no, falo português. I'm gonna go to Brazil. That's the only thing I'm gonna be saying. Oh no, falo português. Desculpa. Say I don't speak Portuguese. I'm sorry. Please, please, I gotta pay my car note. Please, gotta pay my insurance.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, my next spot,
I don't got a TV, man. I can't afford it.
I might give me a big ass protector screen.
You a nerd.
So, I like being a nerd.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
I know it ain't. I know it ain't. Yo, I ain't gonna lie.
Alright, we got the break of structure on the 1 minute time frame. We're looking good. We're looking good. Some motherfuckers start barking. Hell no. Now I'll be looking for the engulfing candle. Now the only thing I don't like about this is where the fuck our stop loss is gonna be. Stop loss is 10 pips. I'm good with 10 pips. I thought it was gonna be a fucking much higher stop loss. Yeah, 10 pip stop. Yes sir. True. And that's okay because the stop loss on the 1 minute will be the same anyway. It'll still be 10 pips. Yeah. It's based on the structure, so. Got the 1 hour engulfing, got the 1 minute change of character, break of structure, got the 50% retracement. Got the 50 EMA retracement. Oh, I was about to say, yo, this fucking 1 hour didn't give us a top wicket did though. I'm about to be like, damn, they did us dirty. What I don't like though is that US 30, bro. The fact that we're sitting at these lows, fuck. Oh man. That's the shit I don't like. But it's all good, man. Who the fuck knocking on your door like that at 9 a.m.? That shit came quick. You gotta hit him with the Chick-fil-A special, man. You heard? You gotta hit him with the Chick-fil-A special. My pleasure. Whatever, bro. I'm gonna walk into your Chick-fil-A one day. You're gonna be there. My pleasure. Alright, man. Your ass gonna get fired. I'm gonna call your store right now. Like, yo, Kendall, don't be saying my pleasure. You gotta fire him.
Like it's just not in me, bro. I ain't gonna lie, like it's just hell. My pleasure. My pleasure. Like,
Yo, what the fuck did you just text me?
what?
I don't know. That's getting screenshotted.
You just not seeing that?
Talking about me being freaky. What the fuck is that?
I just actually need a hug, bro. You trying to?
Nah, it's kind of crazy out here.
Man, my bad. So I ain't gonna ask no more.
It's all good. Appreciate it.
I ain't gonna ask no more, but it's all good. Uh, uh, but happy. High five. Give me a high five. 72 pip STP.
It was crazy. I wasn't even sharing your guys' voice on stream.
Yeah.
I was like, I was
I feel
speaking to
like that's
myself.
better though. No, I mean like you kind of heard us in the back, but I don't know. I think it's kind of good like that too though.
It's all good. I turned it on now.
Oh man,
And now you
come
can't say
on,
what you
man.
said earlier.
I only know 2 times, but I ain't say nothing, brother.
So you did though.
Ain't no proof.
There's proof in my brain.
Mm, your brain don't work. You old.
Well, yeah, you're right. I was just imagining things.
Right. I mean, you got dementia, bro.
Fucking got Alzheimer's and shit.
Yo, I kind of feel bad, bro. Cause like my neighbor, right? Man, like he got. I haven't talked to him since like I started working and stuff like that, but bro, they killing that man, bro.
Go kill him
That shit
quicker.
that they be, huh?
Huh?
Yo, you on stream? What
I didn't say anything.
the? Yo, you are diabolical, bro. You're supposed to be a guide.
My bad. You're right.
Talking
That's
to
on
them.
me.
No, but like, bro, like. Yo.
Did you die? The fuck happened?
Nah, I changed you over to my phone. But oh, bro, like that stuff that they be, man, like chemotherapy shit, bro. That shit is tragic, man. That stuff is tragic, bro. Oh, I'm not working till 6 o'clock today, bro. I picked up somebody's shift, so I don't really have to go in until 6 p.m. Man, that's a blessing. That's a blessing. You said what over it?
I didn't say nothing. Yo, no way we're not gonna get a pullback, right?
Bro, I mean, with GCAD doing what it did, bro, I wouldn't put it past it, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, they're gonna do us dirty today, but I already know. They're gonna do us dirty.
I wouldn't put it past them, bro. They not messing with us, man. They say we trying to make money. They tired of us.
What's good, Adrian? So you waiting for the retest? Yeah, waiting for the retest.
Let me turn the heat up a little bit. Yeah, yo, I need a projector screen, bro. I feel like that'd be busting a lot more.
You need some bitches.
Fuck these bitches.
Hey, yo.
I need a peace of mind, bro. They trying to take that away from me. I don't want no problem.
Oh man, I want to go to the track today, but I don't want to drive.
You want to be in my passenger princess, bro? I could take you.
Not even gonna respond to that. No way, this guy's talking about me being a passenger princess, right?
Ain't nothing wrong with it. You already my passenger princess.
Holding my tongue, I'm not gonna say what I want to say.
Right. Yeah, stream. I'm gonna show y'all the real JumpeR.
I already muted you. Good try. Fucking slurping in the background. I already muted you.
Yeah, I'm kind of like a new plant now. I check the ingredients, don't have to sell.
You ordered cereal off of DoorDash? You ordered cereal off of DoorDash?
No, I ordered some ice.
What? Yo.
It's this brand called Life Cereal.
Never heard of some shit like that. I thought you were gonna order Wawa, man.
No, I wish I had Wawa.
You don't got shit over there in the middle of nowhere.
Man,
You even got a
no,
Taco Bell.
bro. You can't even fucking order Taco Bell, bro. You gotta walk. It need more beans.
Put extra beans on it next time.
Yo, news already hit.
The what?
News already hit.
Nah, and uses that at 10 though.
Oh yeah.
Oh man. Yo, I'm gonna have to fucking mute you, bro.
Yo.
Are you a fucking alligator, man? Yo, yeah. You fucking eating like a goddamn alligator over there, bro. Like, fuck.
Yo, I'm hungry. I didn't eat all it yesterday. Onions, bro. We even in the picture like a egg pet farm.
Yeah, I fucking devoured that shit. I
Like,
I got you though. I'll send you a picture of my plate today. Don't worry about it.
I made this for you. So, that's
Ew, those broccolis look sad, man.
what you mean?
They look sad, man.
They was nice and steamy. I made some onions. That's for the next like, beans and stuff.
Mhm.
Onion. It's like the purple, or like a red onion.
Mhm.
Yeah. Oh, gas.
Damn, man, I gotta buy another charger. Yo, USD CAD, please give me the retest. I want to eat today. I'm hungry.
Pretty much projecting that previous lower high point.
Price gave a nice 15-minute engulfing retest on US 30 too.
Yeah. That's what I was trying to tell you earlier about the 30-minute engulfing. Although it had like that long, but those were
It gave it to you on the
on
15. Yeah, yeah. They didn't give you the retest on the 30 though. On the 15 it did.
green, green, red. Green, green, red, my brother.
It's a good thing I got you muted, yo. You're bugging today. You gotta go to bed, man. You delusional.
I ain't had no sleep, man. Mike woke me up.
Where did Mike go?
No, Mike was texting sound like I'm bored, bro.
Wasn't he in the call? Where'd he go?
I think he left.
What a fake guy. Got the retest. We got the retest. We got the retest.
Not even. Oh wait.
You got it. Alright. What's good, Mike? Where'd you go, man? Alright, let's look at this in the 1 minute now. Got the cross up to 50 in it. I did, bro. I really did. I was like, where the hell did Mike go? Let's keep an eye on this on the 1 minute. See how price wants to react to these highs here. Again, I'm not really so fond of this trade, but it is what it is. And again, the reason why I'm not so fond of this trade is just because of how US 30 is moving. But worst comes to worst, we'll cut losses short. We won't wait till that 10 pip stop loss gets hit. But everything looks good. Everything looks good. We're bouncing off the 50 EMA on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we got the exhaustion candle. 1 minute time frame, we had the change of character, break of structure. After the break of structure, we're looking for that retest. On top of the fact that we got the retest on the 1 minute time frame, the 1 minute time frame, we got the 50 crossing above the 200 EMA. We're in level 3, right? Level 3 rise, we're looking for price to bounce off the 50 EMA. So right now we're looking good. All the rules are being played out. Again, the only thing that I don't like about USD CAD, which is the same thing we talked about yesterday, is the fact that we're in peak formation high. We're in the highest point in the market, which makes this trade not so good, but we'll see how price wants to react to these levels, and then we'll go on from there. GCAD, as we can see too, gave us a 372 and then started to push back down again. So again, just gonna keep a very close eye on this position here. If we gotta cut losses short, we'll cut them short. It is what it is. But as of today, USD CAD is the only pair left on our list that hasn't hit STP, is the only pair that hasn't hit ADR, is the only pair that's going with the trend, right? We had the change of character on the 30, we had the break of structure on the 30, we got the retest. So all the rules are being played out. The only thing that's not looking good on USD CAD is, like I said, the fact that we're in peak formation high is the only bad thing about this trade. But again, we'll just keep a close eye on this on the 1 minute time frame. If we gotta cut losses short, we'll cut them short. It is what it is. At 10 o'clock, yeah. And we got news in 40 minutes too, so we'll see how this plays out. That news in 40 minutes could completely change the direction of this. Yeah. So we'll keep that in mind. Again, I'll be looking to cut losses short if this does end up going opposite, but it's all good. This is on our list. This is what you would call a high risk, very high risk trade. Usually I wouldn't take a trade like this, but we'll talk about it on stream, right? This is a good learning curve for everybody too who's just starting off.
Wanna pay rent?
Do I want to pay rent? Just cause I took this trade, it looks like I don't want to pay rent, but it's all good. Totally 10 pips out.
Okay, so why is the trade not good?
Again, peak formation high. Peak high territory, price could go either way. And we got news in 40 minutes.
BRB, old man, BRB, old man.
Looking for the retest. We got the retest. Boom.
Information high, my brother.
And then the 1 minute, does that candle have a top wick? Let's see.
The fuck?
Red candle
Did
does
I
not
fuck this up?
have a top wick.
No, please don't tell me.
What'd you do, Mike?
Oh no, all good, all good.
And then this also boils down to the question that we had in yesterday's session, right? How do I choose when I'm risking 1%, 2%, or 10%, or 5%? This is a trade where I'm only risking 1%. Again, since it's a very high risk trade, it's not a high probability trade, I'm not going to be risking more than I should. So we're only risking a 1%, just a little 1%er here, it's all good.
Nice. Well, diamond day.
It's had a crazy spread to it too. It's a fucking 10 pip spread at fucking 9 in the morning. It's insane work, but it's all good.
You said that price what?
And I have a fucking 10 pip spread on USD CAD at 9 in the morning. That's crazy.
Man. What did you get filled at?
Where price is at right now? A little bit lower to where price is at now.
Oh my fucking god. Oh shit.
What happened, Mike? Regain, man, regain. Wrong button, wrong button. Now, if we could get price, once price breaks above the 800 EMA, that'll give us more confirmation. And if we could look for another entry above the 800 EMA, that's perfect. That'll give us another entry on this pair.
Above the 800 on what pair?
On the 1 minute, on USD CAD.
Okay.
He's trying to make sure you're on time.
And no way you still munching in the background, man.
Yeah, bro. Mind your business, bro.
My bad, my bad, my bad. That was Mike that said that.
Let me see what Mike in the chat talking about, man. Oh no, that's your other video. Dang. What a new joint at?
Got some fucking crazy exhaustion candles here too at the lows.
Yeah, in the 5 minutes, that do look in the 5.
You got exhaustion candles here at the lows again here on the 30 minute. Market makers are just trapping traders in every single fucking time frame right now, making everybody believe something.
Yeah, now it's just news, and we have the 8:30 open.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Yeah, you got the 9:30 open. We'll see some volume, and then we got news in 30 minutes at 10. We'll see some more volume there as well. So, just gonna be patient with this. We'll see how price ends up moving. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yeah, Mike saying that shit yesterday. That shit was so funny, bro.
Word to Mike, man. It is what it is. Am I gonna take my first loss of 2025? Find out in the next episode of Vice Trading Academy. No, USD CAD. Push up, not down. Please. Please. I gotta pay rent. Please. Yo, matter of fact, I know what I'm gonna do.
What?
How do I flip this?
This guy, you old.
Come on, USD CAD. Please. No, please. Conga, man.
That ain't working, bro.
It's working, bro. Trust. You gotta trust the process, man. Like, what are you talking about here? No, please.
I'm sorry, bro. It ain't working, bro.
You know, we got 7 people watching the stream, Jumper.
This is called the Magna Hammer strategy here.
Talk about the Magna Hammer strategy.
Please. No. Not hitting it hard enough.
the stop loss.
You imagine? Fucking.
8:30 open.
Like
Straight the stop loss.
I saw this fucking, I saw this strategy on Instagram. I got scammed. Please. Yo, maybe because the magnet is now we're supposed to be. It's only right here. Closer. Go up. Go up. Hey man, you got the fucking NY open right now, man. Leave me alone.
News about the saute our shit, man.
Do we have an engulfing candle here in the 1 minute? No bottom wick on the red candle and no bottom wick on the green candle, so no engulfing candle here in the 1 minute.
No.
Pretty woman.
Pretty woman.
Please.
That's why I fuck with Mike, man. He knows the good music.
Mike playing that right now?
He's singing it right now. He's about to start singing the Police soon too.
Yo, Mike.
Mike, what do you know about the Police, man? What do you know about Sting?
What's the Police?
Damn, bro. I thought you knew about music, man. Roxanne.
He thought that you was hit, Mike. He basically said that you're not hit. You hit, Mike?
Hit what?
You don't have to put on the red light.
I would say that I basically listen to everything, to be honest.
You listen to Lil Durk?
Yeah.
What the?
Hell no.
What the?
Come on, Mike.
What the fuck?
You listen to Brain Rot, bro?
Lil Durk,
Mike, you
Lil
listen to...
Baby, Ghana.
What? What you just say?
Which other person again? Kodak Black, Trippie Red.
You listen to Brain Rot, bro.
No, I listen to everything, bro. I still listen to like Flog Mango. It just depends on my mood, bro. Sometimes you wanna trap, sometimes you wanna be chill.
Talk about trap, Mike. You ain't Mike. You in the trap, Mike? You want to trap, Mike?
You know, sometimes you know, like. No, like sometimes you just want to hear.
Yo, you guys are talking nonsense and not fucking hitting the hammer to the magnet, man. I need you guys to turn up.
Bro, fuck that magnet, bro. Straight to stop loss.
Nah, fuck that. We're in profit. Shut up.
Straight to stop loss.
Nah, straight to TP, man. Shout out to the magnet.
We finna get our shit nuked. Dang.
Hey. Chill out.
Yo.
Boing. Ah, shit. Fucked it up.
That's it, playing with your heart like these girls, bro.
Nah, man. These women are on some other shit. We ain't gotta speak about that.
Why is it playing USD CAD? Just go in the profit, please.
Please.
Just go hit TV.
I wanna go to Wawa. I gotta eat food today, please. My mom said I can't eat unless it hits take profit, please.
Pretty woman.
Yo, how do you know that song but you don't know the Police?
Wait. Let me check you on Spotify. Wait, let me.
Like
check.
you definitely know Message in a Bottle.
I could know the Police. Let me check.
What? It's the sound of the police. It's the sound of the police. Whoop.
Nah, I don't know them. And I wanna be yours, though.
I'm gonna say yes, sir. Yo, what the fuck is he doing, Muhammad? What are you talking about, bro? Yo, like this shit. What do you mean, bro? Fucking trying to go to take profit, man.
So we gotta go take profit, man.
Hey, we gotta go higher now because price went up. Let's go. Come on, please. I'm hungry.
Yeah, no, man.
fucking.
Yeah, slow.
What do we got? 20 minutes
That's
to
that
news?
old head
30
shit,
minutes to news?
man. That yes sir was like a million years ago.
Oh, my bad. That
Guys,
was 10 minutes ago.
how is this shit actually working?
Huh?
Like, how's this hammer shit working?
Yo, I'm telling you, bro. This is the market makers right here. They got a hammer hitting the shit down, but I'm fucking hitting it up, man. I'm telling you. Let's go, please. Go above the
I
800.
know, let's go.
Yo, Jumper, you need to cut this part out of the stream and post on TikTok, bro. You gotta show them the source.
No, cause then everybody's gonna start doing it. It's not gonna work. They're gonna go against me. Imagine we had 1,000 viewers. They'd be fucking putting the magnet down here, trying to make me get hit stop loss. Fuck them. Fuck them.
Trading to profit.
Like, this is Kendall right now. This red fucking wick right now is Kendall. He's hitting this shit going
Oh
backwards.
my
Like, yo,
God,
come on,
bro.
Kendall. Stop fucking with us, man. Stop being a hater. Look at that.
Till I can though, bro.
This is fucking Muhammad now. This is Muhammad hitting the fucking hammer.
We
Hey, hey.
going straight to stop loss.
We gotta go back down to the bottom. Fuck yo. We got the power of the hammer.
We
Oh
going straight
shit.
to stop loss.
You can break even already.
No.
No. What the
No,
hell?
we got news in 30 minutes. So I'm not gonna move I'm not moving my TP to or I'm not moving my stop loss to break even until we break above the 800. Once we break above the 800, I'll move my stop loss to break even. If we don't go above the 800, then I'll just cut losses short once we get, like, if price breaks these internal higher highs and higher lows here. So if price breaks below here, then I'll start looking to just cut my losses short, and we'll be looking at a 5 pip stop, anywhere between 5 to 6 pips.
Eesh.
But right now we just gotta wait for the market to kind of move. Nothing really happened during the NYC Open, so nothing happened at 9:30. So we know we got news at 10. That news at 10 is where that volume's gonna come in, and then that volume will let us know what price wants to do.
It's gonna pop.
So we'll see what price wants to do. Internal, we had lower low, lower high, lower low, and then price gave us that higher high here with this push here. So at this point too, what I'm looking at is these lows down here. If price breaks below these lows, then that's gonna be a little bad. Alright, alright, alright. The power of the fucking magnet and the hammer. Come on, man. Like, what are we talking about here? Come on, please. Boing, 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 boing. Huh. This is why day drinking is a thing, man.
Day drink? Hell no.
Oh, yeah. Give me a fucking Jack and Coke. ASAP. ASAP, no Rocky.
ASAP Rocky. Oh, she's a fucking disciple. I like to see. Na, 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 na.
People gonna join into the stream. Yo, how bored are you? I'm just gonna answer yes. That's how bored I am. Please, my mommy said I can't eat food unless it hits take profit. I'm hungry. You know what? I know what the market makers are scared of.
What they scared of?
The dinosaur. Fuck yeah. They're not coming back down here. Rawr.
I mean, he eating straight what?
Straight leaves. Let's run some games. After, if you're still on after the stream, I'm down. Unless we're playing our bubble popper game. Nah, that's a different story. All right. Dinosaur's not working. We gotta do something else. We gotta get a heavy hitter.
Load it up.
Market makers, market makers. They're scared of who? Who are they scared of? They're scared of the fucking gorilla, man.
Oh, she's a fucking disciple.
I'd be in stakeout using a shotgun like a rat. I don't know if I can play with you now that you said that.
Oh no.
You're one of those.
Reminds me of Tonfa on Rebirth.
Do you watch anime, Jumper?
Nah, man. I'm not a weirdo.
Bro.
Alright, let's get this shit out of the way real quick. 15-minute time frame. We got another engulfing candle that could print in 3 minutes. It's looking good. Got 3 minutes.
Alright, I'm finna get in bed, bro.
In bed? Nah, you better fucking not.
Not in bed, but like just
Nah,
watch the charts on my phone.
stay
Bro.
your ass here on your computer.
Bro, I'm sleepy, bro.
Too late, too bad. Damn, this guy really crashed. That's that.
My line crashed, bro. You on my phone.
I play really now, so I just want to chill and not sweat my hands off. Hey, man. You'll be using the riot shield with the shotgun. I already know.
Running shield at the shotgun. Hell no.
When's news coming out?
15 minutes.
17 minutes.
17 fucking minutes.
Gotta go lower.
17 minutes, Mike.
17:38.
The news about to cook this trade or put or take us to take profit. Take us to the promised lands. Eat that shit today.
Rashi with the Tonfa was a deadly combo. Yo, facts. Back in the rebirth shit. Hell yeah.
Oh man.
Damn. They gave us fucking exhaustion candles in the 15-minute. This is looking not good. Not looking good. All right, let's be serious here. Okay, so 30-minute time frame, still looking good, but the 15-minute we got exhaustion candles already at the top. 5-minute time frame. Ah shit. All right, well, this is not looking good no more.
Not looking good at all, my brother.
Not anymore.
Yo, sit and forget.
Yeah, good.
That was you guys hitting the fucking hammer the other side, man. That's not true. That's some fake shit. You guys are mean.
Sit and forget.
Yeah.
He says set and forget. Damn, man.
Trust in the analysis.
Nah, man.
That's belt.
It's belt to ass right now. Belt to ass.
See the rejections? price know what it's doing.
That's what I'm saying.
Uh,
On the 5 minute and the 1 minute, we're getting rejections of highs and rejections of lows. That news is gonna be crazy. I just hope we're not at these lows when the news hits, cause if that's the case, we're just gonna get fucking spiked out, and then price is gonna go.
Which is gonna be ass, but
Like
it's only
if
because
news hits and we're above the entry, then we'll be good. But if price hits and we're still sitting at these lows, that might not be that good. We might be in
no.
uncharted territory.
I'm telling you guys, Titan forgets his working. You see?
Something forget is working. No, my brother.
Are you seeing?
You gotta think about the worst case scenario, bro.
You just gotta look at candlesticks. Candlesticks tell you everything. We're still good. We got inducement of the lows, but we got fucking exhaustion candles at the top too. So yeah, nah, we already know that news. Again, like I said, if price is anywhere at these lows,
Cooked.
when the news hits, it's just gonna spike us, and it's gonna do some crazy shit and then go up. But if we're above this area, then we're still good, right? I like the fact that we in the internal time frame, right? This little higher high, higher low, higher high, right? I like that price came down here and just gave us the testing candles. But right now, I would like to see the same exhaustion candles that we have in the 5 minute. I would like to start seeing those down here. Once we get those exhaustion candles, that'll tell us the whole story. Then the 5 minute, we could still get a potential. What I like about this, right, is that this still looks like potential that price wants to give us another engulfing candle in the lower time frame. Start giving us more pushes to the top side. Right, same thing with the 15. So that's the only thing that's kind of saving this right now, that's letting me know that it's still good, is just the different candlestick patterns that are, or the candlestick analysis that's being printed on the chart.
Told you
So
guys,
we're
just
still
hold
good.
the trade. Patience.
Alright, I'm back, my bad. See, the 1 minute is still playing with these zones here, but we can still see price lower low, lower high in the internal of the 1 minute. 5 minute, still looking good. We're still holding on to these lows. Like I said, we got 10 minutes for that news. I would really hate for price to be in any of these levels here when price hits. So kind of want to start seeing price push up to the top side just a little bit, so we could be a little bit more comfortable with that news being dropped.
Yeah, but it's all testing candles.
Literally all of them. All of these are testing candles. They're giving us testing candles to the highs, testing candles to the lows. It's giving us exhaustion candles to the highs, exhaustion candles to the lows. Right now, the market makers are just trapping traders going both ways.
Ping
Right?
pong, ping
All the
pong.
all the traders who are still trading this as a double top, right? All the traders trading this as a double top, they're getting their confirmations of the retest and the exhaustion candles going short, right? And then all the traders trading this as a double bottom, they're doing the same thing. They're giving us the retest and they're giving us exhaustion candles at the lows in the 1 minute time frame. So you see, this is why, again, understanding candlestick analysis is one of the most important things. Because again, I could teach you a double bottom, I could teach you a double top, I could teach you the bounces off the EMAs, I could teach you engulfing candles, but without valid, I wouldn't even say valid, but without the proper knowledge of everything put down together, it's just not, it's not enough information, right? So again, we just gotta wait. You got fucking 9 minutes for that news to hit, so that'll really tell us what price wants to do. So again, like I said, hopefully this, you know, hope is not a plan, but at this point, that's what we got left, man. we just gotta wait for that news to hit and see what happens.
Because we had all the confirmations and stuff like that. You know, the only thing is just the factors that are going into play.
That's all it is.
Maybe you should use your butt. See if
Yo,
off your butt.
yo, is this guy still muted? No, he's not. Yo, somebody clip that.
Hey, yo,
What the hell is this guy talking about? Oh, bro, we caught your ass in 4K. What the fuck was that?
Yo.
We caught your ass in 4 fucking K.
I ain't even gonna pull you up under the bus with me. I'm gonna just take it to the chin.
Gotta do what you gotta do, man. I fucking hate how slow price is moving at 9:52 in the morning. Hurry up and move, please. I wanna go eat.
I actually got like a clean fill on this too. I got a clean fill.
Oh shit, 15-minute candle close. Did we get that already? Oh no, not yet. I'm bugging. 7 minutes. What is the stop loss on this entry here? Let's see. We got this engulfing candle at 8 pips. Not bad.
What, you talking about the 15-minute candle?
Yeah. We got a candle closure above this. Then we'll have a 15-minute engulfing candle. We'll mark it up now. Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, but when I was watching like your some of your past isolation sessions, you like the green candle to close above
The
the
wick.
first candle's wick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the best engulfing candle to use is when it closes above the wick. The body is really what we're looking at. That'll give you the confirmation. But the highest most probability trade, the highest probability engulfing candle, is when the green candle closes above the first candle's wick. And the 1 minute gave you an engulfing candle? No, it didn't. We're good, we're good, we're good. Price made lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high here in the internal time frame. I want to move this over, man. There's too many colors on my screen. I don't really fuck with that. Change
You gonna
this.
go blind, too many colors.
It's too much shit.
The more you see, the more opportunities.
Mike,
Mike,
the
you
more you
said
see,
what, man?
the more you see, the more opportunity, man. Why are we bullying Mike, man? Why you gotta bully Mike for, Kendall? It's not nice.
I'm not moving,
Nah,
Mike.
bro, that's not nice, man. It's fucked up. Mike, I got you, man. Don't let this bully tell you anything, man.
I'm not no bully. I was just asking what Mike was talking about, man.
Nah, Mike, I got you, bro. I won't let him talk to you like that, bro.
I only got to do too much with you, bro. You old.
Whatever, bro.
to blow at your bones, bro.
Nah, don't do that. I'll snap, bro, please.
Oh my god,
Yo, I'm
bro.
not sore no more. We're good.
You tell me I'm not. Why was you sore to begin with?
My legs?
Oh yeah, your ass was hurting and shit.
Yo, somebody
You
clip that
feel
too.
like your butt was hurting, bro.
My
Why was your butt sore?
my butt was not hurting, bro. I promise.
Hey Mike, did he tell you that his butt was sore,
Yo,
bro?
I'm gonna have to mute you, bro. You're wilding out right now. Yo,
Yo.
dude.
Nah, bro, live your truth, old head.
The hell no.
Live your truth, man.
Fucking Muhammad said
You
for
don't
real.
live
Fuck
this
that, Muhammad. I'm a son of God, bro. I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Oh my god, bro. Now all of a sudden he religious. He he the coming of Christ. He said that people call him Jesus, so because his hair so long and weird.
It is true, bro. I got long hair. Have you seen a picture of Jesus, man? That dude don't have fucking hair in the bottom of his chin. Neither do I.
Yo,
I look just like the dude.
he said people call him Jesus, bro.
Especially being here by the Cubans, bro. The old Cubans, the fucking grandmas are like, oh my god, you know you could play a movie being Jesus? Like, yeah, man, I know.
Oh my
I hear that
god.
shit all the fucking time that I go out. That's why I stay at my house, man. It's bad juju. You can't compare me to fucking the Lord.
You so waste. But we got a 15-minute engulfing. Price closes in 2 minutes. Price closes in 2 minutes, my brother. 2 minutes. Dos
Dos
minutos.
minutos. That's what they say at the Miami Heat game whenever there's 2 minutes left. 2 minutes.
That's what they say at work.
Dos minutos.
How much longer for Liz? 2 minutos. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
My pleasure.
Hell no. I do not. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, like, man, fuck work.
Got used in 3 minutes, man. This fucking magnet better work. That's all I'm saying.
Nigga, we finna get no lube. No lube. They finna do us bogus.
I don't know who we is.
They finna do us bogus.
I trust in my magnet. I put all my trust in the magnet, man.
I put on for my city, on for my city.
I put on for my city, on for my city. Put
I put
on
on
East
east side,
side. Put on,
south side,
put on,
west side,
put on.
east side. My 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 mom played that shit damn near every day.
Can't play that song on stream, man. I'll get copyrighted. Fuck 'em.
Oh my god. Oh, he monetized?
Nah, but they still copyright your shit.
Oh dang, it's trash. Hey, this would be a nice place to live, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
My house is a pretty nice place to live. Come over.
Oh man.
My bad.
You said come over?
My
Hit you on
bad.
stream, bro?
My bad. I forgot.
Oh, hey, look, wait. Let me show you. Hold on.
I don't want to
Nah,
see. We got 30 seconds, man. Focus up.
take your mind off of it, bro. Take your mind off of it, bro. It's all good, bro.
Nah. Fuck that.
You gotta just breathe, my brother. Just breathe.
I can't. I'm holding my breath.
Just vibe. Don't be tense, my brother. So like the wind.
Fuck that. The wind almost took me yesterday. Got news in 2 seconds. Alright, let's focus up here.
Straight to stop loss.
Shut up. We got 15-minute engulfing candle. Let's see if we can get that retest. If we can get that retest, we'll get another entry. And I'll be using a 8 pip stop. And then I'm moving. Now, let's go back to the 1 minute. Did we get that break above the 800? Not yet. But I'm going to move my stops to the 15-minute engulfing low. instead of the 1 hour engulfing low. So I'm gonna move this to here, just a few pips, nothing too crazy. And then I'll be looking for another retest off the 15-minute engulfing.
Really didn't even do too much.
And then we got a testing candle. Not good. Not what I want to see.
What?
The 1 minute. On the 1 minute, yeah. No. It moved too fast. I couldn't enter on time. Fuck. God damn it. All good.
Damn. Straight damn. Okay.
Got a 1 minute engulfing. Think we'll get a 1 minute entry too? 3 different entries right there. Before I get into the 1 minute engulfing though, I need to see a clean break, so. Alright, we're not gonna get that. Fuck.
Yeah, nah, we ain't getting that, brother. That's news volume.
Alright.
Straight into profit.
Yeah, straight into stop loss.
TP
Straight into stop loss, he says. Fuck you. Alright guys, TP hit. Nice stream. I'll see you guys later tonight for the isolation session. We'll see you guys later.
Adios, adios.
Damn, brother, what else do you guys want, man? I gave you guys 2 fucking entries. Yo, Mike, I'm charging $1,000 for my signals, man. That's 2. Yo, think about it. That's 2 entries, right? That's 2 entries, right? That was 100 pips profit, bro. I'm charging $1,000, man, right there.
I'm charging $1,000, man, right there.
That's alright, cool. So we're done. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. It's that easy.
That easy, my brother.
372, third day high, engulfing candles, lower time frames. Perfect. It was a nice little trade.
Nice trade.
He said, wait, chill. I got you, Muhammad. I'm joking, bro. Alright, that was the trade for the day. I finally caught a yo, I can't wait to tag Donovan. Donovan, I did it. A USD CAD trade. Yo, I'm tagging him right now actually. Hold on. At Don. Alright. Any questions on the chat? Any questions on the stream? Any other pairs you guys want me to go look at before we turn the stream off? We'll straight to ADR. Before we turn the stream off, I'll go through each and every pair that we look at during the isolation session so we can see exactly what price did. Right, so we'll start from the top with AU. We'll turn on the flags now that we're done trading for the day. AU, EA, EU, ECAD, GA, GCAD, GJ, GU, US 30, CAD, ZAR, gold, Bitcoin, and oil. Right, so starting off with AU, right, we had a 372. Price already gave us that new low as soon as the market opened, so I wasn't looking at AU. Right, EA, same thing. We're looking for that 372, that third push to the top side. As soon as the markets open, it just started pushing, so we didn't have any opportunities on EA. EU, we weren't really looking at anything, right? But EU, as soon as the market opened again, just continued that push to the top side. ECAD, same thing. We're looking for the 372, that third day push. We also know we're reaching the previous peak high up here, so after 3 days of rise, the market must either move sideways or go down. So I'll be looking at ECAD for the rest of this week as well, but no trades for today. As soon as the market's open, it went up straight into profit. GA, same thing, right? 372 as soon as the market's open. For what? ECAD?
ECAD, yeah.
We're at a higher high looking for a higher low. That's all it is. We got a 3 days of rise. After 3 days, market must go sideways or go down, right? I'll be looking for a pullback on ECAD before we could continue the push to the top side.
Alright, cool. I want to make sure I heard that right.
GCAD was the other pair we were looking at this morning, but we never got the retest off the engulfing candle. It missed it at 3 in the morning, and then it missed it now when we were looking at it. It missed it by a few pips, went straight into profit as well into the 372. GJ, we were looking for price to fill this gap, but again, as soon as the market's open, it kind of pushed up. We had a fake engulfing candle down here that we spoke about in last night's session. But this is a pair that moves a lot during Asia and London session, so most of the time I won't really even catch a trade on GJ, but we still have this 3rd week high at the top, so we'll be looking for another entry opportunity going into tonight's session, going into tomorrow's trading session as well. GU has just been consolidating, so I'm not really looking to take GU up until we get breaks of these highs. Once we get a break of this high, that's when I'll start looking to take trades again. US 30 is another pair, right? We know we're still making lower lows and lower highs. We still have these gaps at the top of the market and the bottom of the market, but right now we're trading at the lows, right? So I'm not really looking to take any positions on US 30 for now. USD CAD, obviously the trade that we took, very beautiful, 372, 3rd day high. We had the change of character, we had the break of structure. After the break, we're looking for the retest, right? On the retest, we were bouncing off the 50 EMA on the 1 hour time frame, beautiful. Once we got down to the 1 hour time frame and saw that we were on the 50 EMA, we go down to the lower time frame and we're looking for the same thing. We're looking for the change of character. We're looking for the break of structure, the retest. We had the break of structure, we had the retest. We had a hour engulfing candle, which is where our entry was at. We also had a nice 15-minute engulfing candle, but unfortunately, price moved way too fast for me to enter the trade, so I only caught that one entry off the 1 hour engulfing, which is all good. Right, USD ZAR, not really looking to take trades on USD ZAR just yet. We still have that gap here at the bottom of the market, so I'm looking for price for ZAR to go down before we could continue to push to the top side. Gold, not looking at anything on gold. Bitcoin, same thing, not really interested into Bitcoin just yet. Gonna wait for market structure to shapen up a little bit. And then US oil, we have this engulfing candle here at the top. Again, we're in a zone of consolidation where price is rejecting highs, rejecting lows, rejecting highs, rejecting lows. Price is just moving sideways here, right? So I'll be looking for price on oil to come up to our engulfing candle. I'll start looking for an entry up here to then continue that downtrend push back down to the bottom. But that's pretty much it. The only trade for today was USD CAD, which was perfect. Played out exactly how we wanted it to. Any questions in the chat? Any other pairs you guys want me to go over? Whether or not they're on our list, let me know. Anything you guys want me to explain again, just let me know. What's up?
With USD CAD still having that fourth week high variation. So although we just got the 372 by us still having that fourth week high, we used to look for price. Well, no, we used to use that fourth week high as a target.
As another target, yep. Depends how price ends today. If price ends today on a rise no net, or it finishes on a rise drop, then we know tomorrow we'll have another push to the top side. If price today finishes on a clean 3rd day rise, right? Today's Tuesday, right? Then, right? Is today Tuesday? I'm bugging.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Then we already know that for tomorrow, right? Wednesday, after 3 days of rise, the market's either gonna move sideways or go down. If we finish on a third day high, then tomorrow we'll look for the pullback, and then tomorrow night during the isolation session, going into the new trading session, that's when we'll start looking for another trade to go back up to the top side.
Okay, cool.
So we'll just have to wait to see how price finishes today.
Oh, I bet then. Alright.
Pretty much 5 p.m. will let us know what price wants to do.
Alright, cool. And I'll still be here too by then, so that actually won't be bad.
But
so, cause that's when you'll be doing like your call, right?
yeah, 7 p.m., 6 p.m. your time.
Damn.
That's when you go into work.
Yeah, that's when I go in.
Oh.
And it's all good.
All good, GR. Muhammad, no worries. Mike, Jessica, Adrian, any questions? If you guys are still in here. Anything you guys want me to explain again? Anything you guys want me to... Any pairs you guys want me to go over again?
Entry time.
wish it showed like the open. Oh, I mean,
Thank you for the stream, no problem.
actually it shows.
Alright, team. We'll be back tonight for the isolation session at 7 p.m. We'll see you guys there, and then again tomorrow morning for the live trading session. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Peace out. Great session. Thank you, thank you, thank you.